ati asamaba say the NDC aban wode ateten kono na ena aba Ghana.
Etienne na Honorable Minister of Finance, Honorable Forson, ebe redeem mid-year budget review no. Now this particular one, I have a problem with it.
Anti trouble carols ragazi asemamba. Only other TikTokers are class with His Excellency the President John Dramani Mahama. Any finance minister case out of Forson. And now face IGP Yohunu. Yohunu na say much of my there's insecurity in the country. And yes, we are on that issue, you know. Trouble colors are class with IGP and Mahama. And now face, you know, Enra and Ato Forson presented mid-year budget for 2025 our Ghana Parliament House. Now Ato Forson everybody name maybe sua. Ghana Forson there be Ato Forson and Trono Dawson. Enya no credit. Then our Ghana Hanamo. In this very much be asked, you know what to our comment section. I have Penyah Brock Media. Best was any demo. Over like video, no doubt, my box subscribe button, and by clicking notification and latest updates. Now, better watch in their mamma, our comment section. Best was Baswa. No, she will frost any Asher. Let's start with Ato Forson. Eti Enra and a finance minister, honorable case Ato Forson, Eco Pimo Ghana Parliament. Now, or the media budget, no, Eco Tubia. Just say, how a Ghana, no, 25, you know. And I got a boss make a crack out from we have be say DC Siafa. Yes, or go to you. I'm one they say, or I can't maybe balance it be a nice cause. Me so I say, is a Ghana no. Ya be a BBA with Ghana cities. Yeah, what the contract on the first in your Ghana say, yeah, what the contract right now. Oh, but yes, oh, me try $10,000, me try $300,000, and I'm a coin way, me try $100. The project we also they very the
Mr. Speaker, the CD performance in the first half of the year 2025 has been impressive. The Ghana cedi experienced significant appreciation against all major trading currencies in the first 6 months of 2025. I'm happy to inform the House that our previous record, where the Ghana cedi used to trade against the US dollar at 17, is as at yesterday trading at 10.4. Mr. Speaker, similarly, the Ghana cedi, which was once trading at 21 cedis to the British pound, was trading at 14.1 as at yesterday, 23rd July 2025. Mr. Speaker, as at end June 2025, the cedi appreciated by 42.6% against the US dollar, 30.3% against the British pound, and 25.6% against the euro. This is a significant improvement over the cedi depreciation of 18.6%, 17.9%, and 16.0% against the US dollar, British pound, and the euro. Mr. Speaker, I repeat, so far, we have almost reversed all the cedi depreciation in 2022, 2023, and 2024. This level of appreciation has never happened in the history of our country. Mr. Speaker, Right Honorable Speaker, fellow citizens, Ghana cedi no apeke. Cedi no apeke. Mr. Speaker, these gains are largely due to strong fiscal consolidation, tight monetary policy, improved external sector balance, renewed investor confidence, positive market sentiment, credit rating upgrades, and successfully securing staff level agreement and subsequently the board level approval of the fourth review of the IMF program. Right Honorable Speaker, the cedi rebound signals that Ghana's economic foundations are once again beginning to firm up. Sustaining this stability will require continued fiscal discipline, supportive monetary policy, strong liquidity sterilization, robust reserve accumulation, supported by activities of the Ghana Gold Board, and credible implementation of structural reforms.
Every contract must be awarded in Ghana cedis, and to me, a nice initiative because I don't even understand why I yet Ghana. Brony my contract on my own quote will be currency, but yet be a quote dollars. What is it? Yes, also as a sick and my as any say, It doesn't make any sense. Nothing said to me, nice. Initially, I said, no problem. Say we do now, so or can we do what you are so yeah, may a pioneer about so yeah. We down no may bridge come out to so my pioneer about so yeah. Take my pano, bones and yet I'll do rehabilitation. No, I just so yeah. Just said, oh, boy, never baby so. Now, they got some to us so, and I will say, better see taxes, any fees, any charges. Now, taxes, any fees, any charges. Now, after first go by the number, there is a 30 to 40% increment in fees and charges on public goods and services. I say goods and services now all can. Bako transportation and vehicle services. And near 1, 2, immigration and citizenship service. Under that, no, obobo areas will be affected. And legal and judicial services. And obobo never be so court filing and hearing fees. What ya charge it. Just say obobo never be so over education related charges about exams registration fees. What I say it is a wolf one. Mama schools no more. Ya 2 school fees no. Teacher training certification, certificate, teacher training certification, so and license fees, yatum, school registration and capitation charges, and also yatum. What I say? Over register for school, Nina, junior, the Nina, no, a costro, yatum, and I'll call business and regulation, say your business registration and renewal fees. Over register with business, and I feel what Forson now over renewal, and also yatum, and I call security, any identity service and also police clearance certificates yatum, fire certificates and licensing fees yatum, private guard any additional so yatum say o pese wo eyibi na o pese o twere ba bia me company me police for abom ho ban a o twere ba de na eje no now yatum. And if you call water and sanitation so new water connection and meter installation fees, monthly tariff and service charges and also yatum. Sewage and sanitation service fee yatum. Now if you call health and medical service so NHIS registration and renewal premiums yatum. Charges for birth and death certificates and vaccinations and also yatum. Birth and death and yes okra for birth set ya say yatum. Death set and also yatum for sure yatum. ICT and telecommunication yato service charges for national digital ID, that is Ghana card no yatum. And energy and just say yatum never be say never be na e bia be suffer 30 to 40% increment. At first can we have your problem so inflation any other no this inflation no and okoball pad sanitary pad. At first man no so last year 2024 na sanitary pad na at 25 Ghana cedis now no o matter so at as low as 15 cedis. And no na Ghana force ato Forson ato da ben pa na kuromu ha Ghana ha pad sanitary pad man dey farm wo masse no omni farm akosi akoma ya nim no da ben dey kodu 25 ato kanokra na yenipa ato yenipa kanokra.
Etienne na honorable minister of finance honorable ato Forson ebe redeem mid-year budget review no na this particular one I have a problem with it. Honorable Minister, respectfully, sir, I beg your pardon. Yes, sanitary pad. Maybe it's only in my area. Me personally, I don't use yes. I use proper. I personally walk to a shop nearby where I actually buy my proper. Could be someone the same patrol. Yes, motor on the same. Now, yes, I cost na same. Years back, I cost cry a silly boy on a motor on the same. The man told me he has never ever reached 25 Ghana cedis before. I say yes, and people named Drew 20 cedis grada, almost what on 18 cedis, or silly boy didn't cry 18 cedis. I don't know where you live, and I know for sure the other factors that you contributed to Sanima way until be a ton at different prices in the area. What I say, because sabi wo nkronke to anymore obefa no Kumasi, you don't expect to get it the same price as I'm buying here in Kumasi because a lot of factors ever contribute. Ba ko ye fuel or the befa can ade. But honorable minister, from where I live and from confirmation I'm Nyama kwa Jeffrey store raho Yas sanitary pad was never 25 Ghana cedis. Honorable Minister, it was never 25 Ghana cedis for here. Even proper crown pona ne boarding. Nina proper na ne boarding. How much is even proper? Now Yas sanitary pad 25 Ghana cedis. So Honorable Minister, respectfully, sir, I beg you, sir. Yes, it was never 25 Ghana cedis. Me no be out there. Let me know in the comment section. If you am na me di intro, if you are panam ko bi san na di intro actually me. So let me know yours. But from where I live and from the confirmation I've gotten, yes was never 25 Ghana cedis here.
Honorable ato Forson the media budget no atubia. Na ensem bebre na ewo media budget ni. Ebrepe mu no ye beto ye bo ase na ensem bi a ewu mu a etwetwe ason ewu mu no ye de to Ghana fo ani. Na video we de ma no na kasa ana me pese me de ma no etumu bi. Honestly me mbo pad me mentor pad enti ana obi a oye victim to a situation or kasa positive or negatively, and I pay very detailed attention to that person. Now, for the first time, finance minister be a ready budget or parliament or the reduction of goods and services are a war many. Name when Timianka the increment of taxes are ye de aba. Or the reduction of goods and services are a woman, and then we want to mention the increment a day, ye diaba on taxes. Honorable ato Forson Ebeka say in January na proper yes sanitary pad 25 Ghana cedis. Yes sanitary pad 25 Ghana cedis. Na or this house number 2 Ghana. No na your friend is saying nipa bia almost so fee said there be price now or dear 2 grand and yes sir and na etie almost extra madri na ureya ni video ye ba be hwe wa cheche nsem mu bebre a wono so ache na adwen se there be pad no kra na o mahudo bebre a wono kra kire se wo hwe pad no ahodo wo dwa so a e ka me se proper no ana ne bo wo so pa a chain input yes and then so proper input no kra no amount on 25 Ghana cedis. How much more yes no moment yet on 25 Ghana cedis into a basa no adwenchire bebre ba na me yes video we 16 regions across Ghana no ba bia wo bia oye bema ebia utobi ma oma oye oba wankasa utobi yusu proper in yes specifically saying anana otono ebia 2024 anase bia early this year January saying anana oto your friend say yes pardon because at first person chest na 25 Ghana cedis anene about 15 Ghana cedis but a man be say enye sanete yes has been selling between your friend is 17 and 18 Ghana cedis what you say and to some extent ebia bia wo ekula bia sia based on certain factors in TAB, a man on escalated the Akosro Kakra, but you're not crying the 25 cities air so. In the comment section, some people are even confirming and say, I be a 25 cities. To name which area at Forson echo find a 25 Ghana cities in a day, a free airport because a perceive a fair price of a goods and services. I think we should go to the common and then traditional areas. What you say, but Minjini say. Your friends say easily go net transact the kind of goods and services are de my kaswano the same thing na ubenyan wo ehonom enti untimi mfa ehonom prices of goods and services bia koso emfa mba kaswa anase bia wo mfa ma your friend say swami anase bia ba bia etete sa wo hu de meche aha enti I even know say enema bi kura weto no wa akra aboden no ukono of kra efo but any man they be free kind of corn off. And you see this kind of things varies from places and other things. But the attrition so yeah the 25 Ghana cedis are as well raising no and on say a man be and shada and say mami who are going to the comment section as a saying and now utobi ma oba because Mahama eba ya okoto to part the course no ebi mu kura be ye video say pad 17 cities 15 cities 18 cities no eno na wo akoto a wo bo ho aba so say why ade na de ono why free SHS kra no ono so enka say anase de ono agitu mu say obetua nkola na fees for the whole years omo de be wie school anase obe provide basic needs bi amo for the whole years omo wie school no ono so enka say and eno na ase akoye achinyeje kakra e wo system ni but in the meantime no ye beba na eniema bi a e wo budget no ye de aba betudwa follow accounts on share na afoforo so inform adwenkyere emra on how na omoto pad no e wo dia area ye hwe video no
Honorable Minister of Finance, Honorable Forson, with the mid-year budget review no. Now this particular one, I have a problem with it. Honorable Minister, respectfully, sir, I beg your pardon. Yeah, sanitary pad. Maybe it's only in my area. Me personally, I don't use yes. I use proper. I personally walk to a shop nearby where I actually buy my proper. Could be someone the same patrol. Yes, motor on the same. Now, yes, I cost cry na same. Years back, I cost cry a silly boy a day on a motor on the same. The man told me he has never ever reached 25 Ghana cedis before. I say yes, and people named Drew 20 cedis crowd almost what on 18 cedis. I say the boy a damn crown 18 cedis. I don't know where you live, and I know for sure the other factors that you contributed to Sanima where you until be a ton at different prices in the area. What I say, because Sabi who in Kronke to anymore. Obefan Kumasi, you don't expect to get it the same price as I'm buying here in Kumasi because a lot of factors ever contribute. But I full or the best day. But Honorable Minister, from where I live and from confirmation of Yamakwa Jeffrey store Raho, yeah, sanitary pad was never 25 Ghana cedis. Honorable Minister, it was never 25 Ghana cedis for here. Even proper crown pon and a boy day. Nina proper and a boy day. How much is even proper? Now, yeah, sanitary pad 25 Ghana cedis. So, Honorable Minister, respectfully, sir, I beg you, sir. Yes, it was never 25 Ghana cedis. Me no be out all day. Let me know in the comment section. If you are not made intro, if you are Panam Kubis and you didn't track me. So let me know yours. But from where I live and from the confirmation I've gotten, yes was never 25 Ghana cedis here.
What I say? I took Canada nipa. I have to Ghana Hanomwa. In fact, this is not about politics, but the insecurity in this country. No, it is getting out of hands. And then yes, you kun we da ha, ya shi we da ha no mo, ya kidnap we. Later be hun yes you kun you try no ho niama, ya ye we wa. Am I even just say atom you kun no immigration officer obi akwachina hye no just say and am I cause Ghana ha nanse no. I said there is no security in this country. Now no, Anna Trouble Carlos. I joined a conversation with other TikTokers. No say there be. And the young IGP down pare emra. Now we IGP Teteh Yohunu just say Bibia crown just say IGP. I say watch my. I say was it where watch my because even IGP title no crown it doesn't suit him. It doesn't suit him. Any name fa. Any IGP Teteh Yohunu. Any name fa. Any name fa. I say watch my.
Put your political sentiment aside. Let us be honest and real with ourselves. Having to miss the former IGP, George Akufu-Dampare, tell me if you have not missed that man. Tell me. In this world, nobody is 100% right, and nobody can do 100% the job. But the work that former IGP, George Akufu-Dampare, did in his era, I don't think you have any IGP that will perform like that man. Be honest with yourself. In the space of 1 month, 5 taxi drivers are got missing. 4 of them has been confirmed dead. 1 is nowhere to be found. And all the suspects that were arrested trying to make away with their taxi on their flower border were arrested. They were all Nigerians. They were all Nigerians. The only thing that Ghana police knew is to stand up at the roadside and collect 1 cedi from taxi drivers and petrol drivers. They cannot protect life and properties again. And the police is responsible for the lives and the properties in this country. But they can no longer protect it. IGP, with all due respect, what are you guys doing, you and your men? What are you doing? Because things are getting out of hand. Things are getting out of hand. Rape, kidnapping, armed robbery, selling of hard drugs on the streets, a whole lot of nonsense. Ghana is no longer safe again for Ghanaians and foreign investors. For visitors that want to visit Ghana and see the beauty of this country and see the historical moment, see the history of this country and experience our culture, they are no longer safe in this country. What is happening? What is happening? Please, you guys need to do something before things get out of hand. Yes. Share this video, tag the IGP and tag the Ghana Police Service in the comment section. Go on my bio, go and subscribe to my channel, go and follow my Facebook page. Thank you very much. We shall meet in the next episode.
Ragati Asamaba. Say the NDC aban wode atetin kono na ena aba Ghana. Na me no memfa nkonko show bia. Yese se ye wenankafo na se panyi tifie na se nkora wenanka panyi ni ekunankafo a oka ho bi. Ebe no de wo siti ase bia na sa na tie. Efri se ye tu aban foforo ba so a NDC aban ebetena se the atetin kono na ena aba Ghana. Na me no da bia meka, it's not about politics. It is about Ghana citizen. Ejimifo na ebi mo wo ka asama ebe favor ono ankasa na a protect ono ankasa no citizen na no ordinary politics. Abegina comment section na odi ejimi. It is about wo say ejimifo no e wunti na mete a me kwan bebrebe. Say ade ba ade e na ekoso e wo Ghana. Papa ono so poku yes gone missing wayera. Ewo buas wayera. Last time I did Yohunu Friday. Wayera. We so mo de mo pa mo fansan baby enso nka se ono so ebe Yohunu no ono so wuda baby. Say de ekoso Ghana no. IGP wote hono mo onya hwe emfa ho. Wo be ye na afi boys start bedi watam ansa no wa start aye bibia fa ho. Afi ne de beko president so. IGP wadwuma amanfo nto omani nsi Ghana president ho se amanfo to omano edisi Ghana president wana ya wo IGP na wanye wadwuma ye chale say de the wa eniema esi eko Ghana no eni ayenyan ene kojopoku gone missing afia bedu gone missing obi aso ne honma ye huna life for that obi ebehunu bia aso ne ebehunu wawu till today obu okwa owu kra na ye ntimi kra ehunu ne pa ba akokra nko suspect no every see this month mu gone missing kwa ema manim enye 7 saa 7 no eche se omu nyina behu omu nyina krokodile obi awu ede ba de e na ekoso Ghana no chale this is about Ghana mama young voice out ekopim se aban no nensa ebeka asam no bibia fa ho because the aircon no eni enyan etena anya wo a ebeye me because me Ghana ni se me ntwa me ho su emfri Ghana me kita 3 passport me kita Italian me kita British me so kita Ghana enti me Ghana ni ena me sa so etua tax e wo Ghana enti me Ghana ni ena me nua no mo mabusuafo gu Ghana enti me Ghana ni enti me hwe emie meku kwase na aba ye me no me hwe ma meku nyansani na wo support me no I will talk. Munya bibi mfa hu ansa ne start abodama bedi matam. Arrivederci.
Tira nyo mame e wo comment section. Aha Penyah Blog Media background.